So, here I am at Hyundai, come to collect the car. Really good, really impressive service. Just came to get the map done and updated. They basically said, yeah, we do a free health service check on the vehicle as well, bring your lock-in nuts and stuff. So yeah, just come to collect it. So this place is huge. Hyundai in Crawley in the middle of Manor Royal. Never knew it was there. Fell in love with this little one this morning. Hello and welcome back to the Flip Flop vlog. So this week has been a little bit of an itsy bitsy week. The weather has deteriorated on and off. It's not been particularly nice and sunny like it was a week or so ago, but it stayed dry the last few days, which is quite nice, and just various clearing up bits at home really, doing some odd jobs, a couple of things in the garden, and I got the car, got the back windows tinted. The guy's called Tint King, was originally going to go in blue. They suggested not because of the quarter panels, they said it would look rubbish. Fair comment, they're probably right, but seems to be a nice job, and they were a bit cheaper than the other couple of quotes that I got. So then I got it booked in for Hyundai to do a map service update this morning, and they do a free service check on the car as well, and yeah, really nice funky map now. All looking good, all looking smart, and yeah, all tinted up. So we're now getting ready to go off with Mum just to go around Tilgate Park Lake, just for a walk. If you remember, or if you saw it, we went there recently for my birthday, and I said when we last came we didn't vlog it, so this time we're going to take the camera along and just show some nice scenery of the lake. Thought that might be quite nice. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there. Okay, so here we are for a nice little wander around Tilgate Park. It's gone a bit cloudy, but it's still quite nice. Hello.
My first outing.
It's nice to be out for a change.
That lovely tree. Yeah, and when you've got lovely parks, why not use them?
Yeah, exactly. I said to John, we'll just go locally.
Come over cloudy, but
And then I decided
hey,
to go to
it's a nice walk. Still quite bright.
You wouldn't, yeah. Certainly you wouldn't think Crawley has got hidden. open. This is the hill we used to run down.
We were just saying when we were here for my birthday, this was a marquee, and now it's all been opened up, which is a lot nicer. Go ape over there. Really lovely peaceful lake here.
Beautiful people. It's lovely to be out. This is the one in the property of the Queen, literally. This is the Queen. Cuddling. Sorry, no food.
Mum picked this so-called path a few minutes ago, and we drastically seem to be running out of path. We did have a bit of a path. It's rapidly disappearing and it's now undergrowth. Oh no, there's a path. That way? Or that way? Let's see what's at the end of this. The path led to another little bridge and back somewhere at the lake. It's very still here though. Mum's found a map, so she's on a rant.
out there.
We have our cameraman. Fantastic. Like it.
So, back at Smith and Weston, still outside, got this lovely view. Well, as well as this lovely view, we have this lovely view. And this time we're at the other end of the walkway. Oh, here for a nice dinner again?
Yeah, after we had a long walk, like nearly a couple of hours walk, it was lovely. We were expecting it's gonna be rain and windy, but yeah, there we are. We're quite lucky today. It'll be cloudy, but at least it's a good weather still. So yeah, something to relax.
And got recognised by the waiter. I don't know if that's a good thing or
I
a
think
bad
so, yeah. No, I think he did recognize us, and you said you're back. So yeah, we are back. Enjoy the day.
Hello, this is Lorna.
Have a good try. Cheers. It's counting though. It's counting 1 minute. So you can
Good evening. Good evening. Is it pointed at you, Lorna?
It's you, Miss Carmen.
Right, okay. My name is Carmen, and John and Lorna have brought me out for my first visit out to the restaurant for a long time.
Sorry, Miss Carmen, let's see.
Well, we forgot to show you the nacho platter,
Yeah, that's right.
but Mum really loved it. Lorna's got a grilled chicken. Mum's got her first ever club sandwich. And I got a nice burger. But we're struggling because the platter was so big. Okay, we had a lovely meal at Smith and Weston following our lovely long walk around Tilgate Park in Crawley. Really is just nice to get back out to nature. It was warm and it was just so nice to have a little walk around out in the fresh air, see the park, out with Mum, which was lovely, and then a fantastic meal, really lovely. Can't fault Smith and Weston every time. And a special shout out to Deborah Nicastro, who was our waitress last night. She has her own channel and we had the camera there. She asked what we do. So yeah, just having a nose around her channel and look at her videos. So feel free to pop over there as well. So going to end this vlog there, and see you again soon.